Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video for another, subscription box. What we have for today, it is our Allure. Yeah, I'll go with Allure beauty box for the month of August. I don't know why I always have such a hard time pronouncing this one because I always want to call it Allure. And I don't know if that's proper at all in any place in the world, but I think here we call it Allure. So, I don't know. So like I mentioned, right here we have the August box. For those of you that don't know about this box here, it is a monthly subscription. It is $15 a month. But what I like about this one is that you will get both deluxe size samples along with full size items. So sometimes this box, the retail value, putting everything together, gets a really high value in the box, if that made sense. I said it all jumbled up. So with usually the full size items make the value of the box. If you guys stick around till the end, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This one is pretty cool. I haven't had it for that long, but I have kept it because I actually really like it. So let's get in here. We have our little pamphlet, like always, with the product information on the inside. And they also give you the retail value for any full-size items, just in case you want to go and buy them. And you also get a makeup bag. Their bags tend to look pretty similar every single month. But, I mean, it's okay. I usually pass them on to different people, like my sisters, my coworkers. They're the ones that get to enjoy the bags because, I can only use so many. So, I already have our first product here, and it is the mini makeup eraser. And it says, erase all makeup with just water. I think I have tried these. I like the packaging because it looks just like the big pink erasers that we used to use in, like, elementary school. Just that obviously this packaging is black, but I'm sure that's what they wanted it to look like. And let's get in here. So you get a little paper giving you information about, what this is here. And that's so cute. It's a little mini one. So this one is actually pretty cool. All you have to do to this is wet it, and you don't have to use any makeup remover or anything like that with this, because with just water, and it does work because I have used them before, you just start wiping away your makeup and it really does take it all off. I do have a little bit more sensitive skin, so I stopped using these just because it was a little bit harsh on my skin, because you do have to rub it off. And so it would give me a lot of dry spots. But for those of you that don't have such sensitive skin, I really do recommend this one. So I'm most likely going to pass this one on to somebody because I also do have the full size ones that are just pretty much stored away, and I don't need to hold on to another one. So let's move on to our next one here, and it is from Primavera, and it is an Alpine berry water cream. And it says Hydrate Plus Glow. It came in the little tiny box here. Let me see what it is inside. Okay, this is the smallest sample ever. I don't know if you guys can see. There's really no bottom to this. Well, it's way in there. It's a little round thing. So you're not getting much product in here. Oh, it smells like minty. It smells like herbs. That is what it looks like in there. Your typical white cream. And like I said, this is the smallest sample ever. So it's pretty much this on the top, and it just has a little curved bottom down here. So you're not getting a lot of this cream, which makes me think that it's probably expensive. So let's see what else we have in here. This is pretty heavy. And it is from Loretta Cosmetics, and it is an essential lip color. This is what our packaging looks like. Pretty cute. And do we have a shade? I think the shade is going to be Napa. So let me take it out of the little box because it does have a sticker and everything to keep it in there. And, oh, okay. So this is what the packaging looks like. Just a silver bullet with the words Cargo Cosmetics right on there. Let's see what color this is. Whoa, okay. That's a very deep color, which makes sense because fall is coming. We are in August. Fall starts in September. So makes sense that we're starting to get these, It makes sense that we're starting to get these dark colors. That is a swatch there, and that is just one swipe. This is super pigmented. Let me do it one more time. Just one swipe, and I'm not putting much pressure on it. That is a very nice color. I'm really excited for this one, and it is not a matte. It does have some little gloss left on there, so maybe like a satin finish. It is a really nice color though. I'm really excited for this one. I'm thinking this one actually might be full size. We still have more things in here. And up next, we have one that I already own. So I know for sure I'm going to pass this one on. And this one is from Benefit. It is a mascara. And it is the They're Real mascara. I really, really like this one because it does give your eyelashes a lot of volume. It makes them dark, and it makes them look like if you're wearing falsies. It really does. So this one smells like mascara. So this one I can say does work. I like to usually use 2 coats of this one, just because I don't like that clumpiness too much either. But this is a really, really good mascara, and you have to remove it with makeup remover because if not, it will not come off. And then let's move on to the next one. We have something here from Loretta Cosmetics, and it is a liquid beam multi-purpose liquid illuminator. So let's see what it looks like inside. That is our packaging here, and it's actually not the first time that we receive something from this company. So let's see what we have. Ooh. I wonder if I can use this as an eyeshadow. It looks really, really pretty. So that is our little dope foot applicator. It's very, very tiny. Oops, just touched my hand. It's very, very tiny. And this is what the little container looks like. It's a nice golden liquid. I don't know what to call this because it just says liquid beam. So I'm sure you can use it in you know, wherever you want to glow. And it leaves you not a lot of color. It does give that champagne glittery bronziness kind of color, but not like it also feels like really, really thin. Oh, when I touch it, it feels almost oily, but I can move it around, and I can move it around easily, but it doesn't come off. It just spreads around, but it's not coming off. So once it dries down, some of it came off here on my hand, but it looks really, really nice right here. So this one's pretty nice. So we are down to 2 things left in our little baggie. Next one up, it's from Nuria. I think that's what it's called. And it is a triple action eye cream. This is what the little box looks like. And let's see what the little bottle inside looks like. Oh, that's cute packaging. This is what it looks like. And it is an eye cream, so I'm actually thinking that this is going to be a full size as well. This one says it has mulberry root, and ginseng, native to China. So those are the two main those are the 2 main ingredients that go into this eye cream. And that's what your little applicator looks like. That is pretty cool. I've never seen one like this. It almost looks like, I don't know. It reminds me of like a spaceship for some reason. But that is what it looks like. Let me see. Let me try to. That is what the little cream looks like. And you just rub it in. Oh, it's really nice. It's nice and thick, which will hydrate your under eye. It feels really, really good and smells really, really nice too. It almost smells, I don't know if you pronounce it lychee or lychee or something like that, but I usually get a martini from that. I think it's, honestly, what's a lychee? I don't know what a lychee is, but it's really good in a martini. And that's what this smells like. I really like the smell, and it feels really, really nice on the skin. So you can feel that it'll be super hydrating under your eyes. And we are down to our very last item from our box. And this is a Multitask Eye Serum Mask. So it's, I guess, just a set of 2 under eye patches. We get 1 set, and this is what our little pouch looks like. And this one just says you can tackle major signs of under eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles, which, usually that's what you tackle when you use anything like this. So that just leaves us with our little empty baggie. So that is all for our box. Let me know what you guys think. I'm actually really excited for this one here, the under eye cream, and this little liquid highlighter, I guess you can call it. I really, really like these 3, and all the other items are just A+. So let me see really quick if we have full-size items, because if we do, we'll have a price here. And the one that we have full size, oh wow. Okay, so from what it looks like here, we got 3 full-size items, and that is our eye cream, which retail price is $40. We have our Cargo Cosmetics lipstick, and this one retail price is $22. And our Liquid Beam and Topaz, that's the one that we have here. Sorry, I forgot to say a shade. And this one retail value is $22. So, just these alone, it's way over the price that we paid for the box. So that is all for my box today. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Did you guys like it? Did you guys get anything else? I think they might have different variations of their boxes. So let me know what you guys got. That is all from me today. I will be back pretty soon with another video. So I hope I will see you guys here next time. Bye.